We're gonna react to something, chat. We're reacting to train horns from Go Transit. If you want to enjoy this video, subscribe. We got 24 subs. Let's get to 400k by March. Honestly, I'm not familiar with Go Transit, but I do know these trains were like sold to TRE as well as the Virginia Railway Express. Railway Express. They were also sold to TRE as well, possible with Metrolink. But gosh, I love these cab cars. But there's one missing right there. There's something missing right there. It only has 1, 2, but there's another window missing. That's not right. Is that a K5LA? Is that a K5LA or a K5CALS? Did the train just say Hoptua? Did 210 just say what I think it said? Why is there no... There's a missing window right there. There's supposed to be 3. Bro, we need another window. Okay, why is there a missing window right there? It's supposed to be a... Dude, there's no... Like, that's not right. It's supposed to be 3 windows. How come there's 2? Ooh, that K5. Wait, I recognize that bell. That literally sounds like Dart. Ew! What's wrong with that horn? Fix the horn. That's nasty. This next one's gonna be 1001. What? This, in my opinion, might be 1002. That might be 1003. And 1004, in my opinion. That might be 1005, in my opinion. It's not actually it. I'm just in my opinion. And 1005, in my opinion. That might be 1006. Oh wait, 1007. God. That's 1007 in my opinion. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoy. I'll see you tomorrow. Subscribe.